Uganda National Examinations Board has officially released the UACE Mathematics Sample Paper, and today we are going to take a quick look at what it contains and why every candidate should pay close attention to it. As you can see on the screen, this sample paper provides a clear picture of the type of questions that may appear in future examinations. It is designed to help students understand the new assessment approach and become familiar with the examination structure before the actual exams. One important thing to note is that mathematics is not only about memorizing formulas. The sample paper shows that students are expected to understand concepts, interpret information, apply mathematical principles, and solve real-life problems using logical reasoning. As we move through the paper, notice how the questions require careful reading and analysis. Many candidates lose marks not because they do not know mathematics, but because they fail to understand exactly what the question is asking. This sample paper gives you an opportunity to practice that skill early. Students should pay special attention to topics such as algebra, functions, calculus, trigonometry, geometry, statistics, probability, and other key areas in the syllabus. The sample paper helps identify the depth of understanding required in each topic. Teachers can also use these sample papers to guide classroom discussions and design exercises that reflect the expected examination standards. This will help learners develop confidence and improve their problem-solving abilities. For candidates preparing for UACE, I strongly encourage you to attempt every question in the sample paper. Do not simply read through the questions. Solve them yourself, check your answers, and identify areas where you need more practice. The mistakes you make now can become valuable lessons before the final examination. Another important skill is time management. While working through the sample paper, try to answer questions under timed conditions. This helps you become comfortable with the pace required during the actual examination and reduces anxiety on exam day. Remember that success in mathematics comes from consistent practice. The more questions you solve, the more familiar you become with different problem-solving techniques. Every exercise completed strengthens your understanding and improves your confidence. The release of this sample paper is therefore a great opportunity for every student. Use it wisely. Discuss difficult questions with your teachers and classmates, revise regularly, and focus on understanding concepts rather than memorizing procedures. As you continue viewing the pages on the screen, take note of the question formats, instructions, and the level of reasoning expected. These details can make a significant difference in your examination performance. Thank you for watching. If you are a UACE candidate, make sure you obtain a copy of the mathematics sample paper and begin practicing as early as possible. Share this information with other students and teachers so that everyone can benefit from these valuable resources. I wish you success in your mathematics preparation and in your future UACE examination.